Elgato. Because it's portable, you have to build it.
Oh god, no.
Oh, thank you, Addison.
This is what I get for eating pizza-flavored Pringles.
The second best treatment, the only character that happens better than Pikachu.
Excuse me.
Sakura gave him the second best treatment, the only character that happens better than Pikachu.
Excuse me.
That's funny hiccup.
No, they're weird. I don't like them.
They're not. No,
Yes,
they're
they
not,
are.
Chad. You know what? For 5 minutes straight. We need this. Do it. If someone legit makes that, then I will. If someone legit makes that and I see it, I will send it to Tomoe. And now that I send it to my friend for it. Or you can do it yourself, by going to our Discord and all that.
I just
Or you can just send it in general.
I just had an
I don't know.
actual hiccup this time that's not from motherfucking Pringles. I don't like
Oh, you really got it. Yes, people have already clipped it, Tomoe. They've already done it. It's happening. And besides, Tomoe, this stream is gonna be up forever. Like, you do know this, right? It's gonna be here forever. You can't do anything about it. It's over. Forevermore, you shall know the hiccup, and we will have a compilation. How does it feel to be the one that's being picked on instead of you picking on me? Feel my pain.
No! Reverse pain! Reverse psychology pain attack! I'm gonna invite you. As soon as I reach you.
Time for you to be embarrassed by your cuteness.
No!
Even Tomoe agrees. Even the funny character from Doki Doki Literature Club agrees with me. You're finished.
No, I'm not finished.
Tomoe agrees. Even the funny character from Doki Doki Literature Club agrees with me. You're finished.
No, I'm not finished. No!
Is clipping the hiccup the best way to defeat her in battle? Yes, it is. If you clip it, it's like quadruple effective. In Pokemon terms, it's quadruple effective.
No.
You'll also get an immunity to all of her attacks.
No.
Yes.
No.
If I wanted to be a monster, I could clip it and animate it to it.
Oh my god.
We will name you a legend in the server. You will be a legend, my guy. Like, the entire server will bow before you as, the prince. Guys, don't be bullies. Listen, Lamb, I know, we are being kind of bullies, but, Clay does it every now and then.
You didn't win!
And that was not a jab at you, Clay. Clay, you're still really fun. I do
No.
actually.
You did not win. No.
Besides, she flusters me every chance she gets. This is finally my chance to do it.
No.
Do you now know the pain of being embarrassed by every single one of your literally anything you do that can fluster me off? Do you know the pain?
No. Burn. Burn, bitch. Burn.
You can't burn me.
Burn. Burn.
Water frog in Smash Brothers. You can't burn me.
Burn,
I
Bakatako.
resisted to it.
Burn, Bakatako. Burn.
No.
Yes.
Someone said her one weakness is clips of herself. Now it's time to exploit it for every single bit it's worth. Sayori, don't worry, we aren't bullying her, okay? We're just making that small fun making fun of that. I can't speak. We're just making small fun you. And besides, she embarrasses us as well. She bullies us. Yes, because she embarrasses me every single chance she gets every time I go on face cam.
I can't help it. I'm addicted to teasing and I can't control it sometimes.
I know you are, and I don't really mind it that much, but still, it's finally time for my revenge.
I like to tease. It's fun, and the thing is, the more somebody reacts, the more I do it.
Yeah, and the problem with me is that I react to it a lot because I'm me. And you know this about me. My friend is probably wondering what the heck is going on.
Why, is your friend watching it?
Yeah, she's Addison in the chat. At least I'm pretty sure she is.
Huh?
Oh yeah, she's just laughing off, actually. Yes, even my friend has seen it. She wanted to flip it as well, actually, but she doesn't have that, so don't worry, she won't flip it.
No.
Finally, this is the revenge for everything that has happened.
You'll pay for this. You hear me? You will pay for this.
I know I will. Listen, I know I will, but I'm gonna have my cake and eat it.
You will pay for this price of yours. And
What
I'm not...
are you gonna do to me?
You've
already done, like,
I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
What? Wait.
And I'm not gonna tell you.
Dude, yeah. Listen, Tomoe, I know you said you've held back every single time, but like, still.
You'll just have to figure it out.
Someone is going to defend you, as they are the Knight of the Wild. For they are on a quest to defend Tomoe.
No, you did not win. You did not win. No!
We have won, Tomoe.
Sayori!
Oh yeah, Sayori, yes! Yes, Sayori! Yes! Also, wait, my friend asked if, should she just make fun of me now that she has this info? Why do you want to make fun of me, and how in the world? Welcome to the Resistance, Ash. No, I'm not resisting. She can still do anything to me, and I wouldn't be able to do much about it. Seriously. I'm not part of the Resistance, for I am just having my fun.
You will pay for this. You will pay the price for your sins, Ash.
I know I will, but I will enjoy doing it while it lasts.
Oh, you're gonna pay.
Yeah, I know. How much money do you want? Like, I have a 20. For 5 minutes straight. We need this. Do it. If someone legit makes that, then I will... If someone legit makes that and I see it, I will send it to Tomoe. And now that I've sent it to my friend for it. Or you can send it yourself, by going to her Discord and all that. Or you can just send it in general.
I just had like an actual hiccup this time that's not like from motherfucking Pringles. I don't like
Oh,
hiccups.
you really got it. Yes, people have already clipped it, Tomoe. They've already done it. It's happening. And besides, Tomoe, this stream is gonna be up forever. Like, you do know this, right? It's gonna be here forever. You can't do anything about it. It's over. Forevermore, you shall know the hiccup, and we will have a compilation. How does it feel to be the one that's being picked on instead of you picking on me? Feel my pain.
No. Reverse pain. Reverse psychology pain attack. I'm gonna invite you. As soon as I reach you.
Time for you to be embarrassed by your cuteness.
No.
Even Sayori agrees. Even the funny character from Doki Doki Literature Club agrees with me. You're finished.
No. Let me know in the chat if you want to hear this.
Everyone just type E.
Excuse
if you want to
me.
hear it.